know what this thing's doing, do you know that? Can't see. Oh. I don't know what this GoPro is doing, I really don't. Oh. It's got up on the screen, it's got squares. I can't work this GoPro, that's what's wrong with it. I don't know how to work the settings on it. What's going on with this damn camera? I think I'll buy myself a new GoPro. Yeah, come on. I don't know what's going on with this damn thing. Come on. There's a window now. Come on. Definitely 60 odd pigeons up there, like. Yeah, just come on. There you go. Wait for the wind. I've only been letting them do about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, letting them do their own thing. But soon I'll be letting them out at the crack of dawn. I've got a Sony ZV-1 there, but that's another camera. I can't work the settings on it. Honestly. My pal Tam McLeod was here yesterday, brought a couple of books to me. It was about the pigeons that he gave me a way back 2 years ago now, nearly. He gave me 15 young birds with no rings on them, but they've all got numbered plastic rings on them. But he was here yesterday and he gave me some books to do with the pigeons that are in, that I bought them off of. But he's coming back to me with another book. He left me with an Aya camp pigeon. Anyway, there's some pigeons on the wee youngins here, but that's not them all. Certainly not them all. Right, we'll see what this video does. I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Cheery, cheery.